Hi everyone, welcome to hmongcreations.etsy.com. That's hmongcreations.esty.com. So I just wanted to show you guys my ties that I recently got in. They are 3-inch ties, and I believe the standard length is, I believe, 153 centimeters or 140 centimeters. Just the standard length, okay? I can double check that if you guys want to know. Just comment below and I will double check that. So the tie again is 3 inches wide. The symbol itself is embroidered onto the fabric, and it's black. So the fabric itself is like a silky, kind of like a suit fabric, and then the embroidered part is a more like etched, if you guys, it reminds me of when they etch glass, so it's like an etch look to it, is the symbol. So that's kind of how it contrasts each other. So it's not the same material black, it's a little bit different, so you can see it when it shimmers, like when the tie moves around. So here's a close-up of the symbol itself, and then here I have it next to my hand just to show you guys how big the symbol actually is. And here it is with the tie bar, my Hmong tie bar that I have available also on my page for $20. The tie itself right now is on sale for $23. Retail is $30. And right now I only have black. I've had a few questions if I'm getting different colors in, but right now I only have the black. Possibly during Christmas I'll do different colors. Comment below what other color you'd like to see before I do my order. These ties take about 3 months to get in, so I definitely have to order it soon to get it for Christmas. But as of right now, I'm still deciding on what other color I'd like to get purchased. I'm also thinking of a new symbol, so if you guys are interested in a different symbol, let me know what you would be interested in the comments below. So I just wanted to show you guys this pretty tie that I got, and I also already got one review for this tie, and it was from Kabao Vu. She gave me 5 stars for the tie, so happy with that. She was happy with her purchase. So thanks again. Thanks for looking. Again, it's hmongcreations.etsy.com.